Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to it, man. You're still tuned to Straight Up and Down, happening right here on Channel 260. Still God of the universe, the maker, the creator, and father of civilization, Lord Nombanda, with my homeboy, OD Slash.
Since you're saying that you are the creator, I hope you did not create the coronavirus. I hope you did not create the coronavirus. Bantu basekhaya, please make sure if you're watching this on YouTube, I know most people do not have television sets or most people do not have access to ETS TV. If you're watching this on your YouTube, please share, like, comment, subscribe on the page. Assemblief Tochman. The page is Select Few ZA. Let's go.
All right, man, he's right, dog. Hey, yo, my brother, today we're talking about...
I'm not your brother, but go on.
Yeah, bro, I'm doing you a favor. You should be honored. All right, bro. Yo, I want to find out from you, my nigga. Do you watch the company you keep?
Do I watch?
Because I see a lot of people in circles that move wars or as co-congruent with where they want to be.
Yeah.
But and that way always begs the question, man. Are you sure about the company? Do you think this is the right setup for when to move into Ilenduke to the next level?
First of all, you threw me off with that word congruent. I'm like, what does that mean? First of all, but it's okay. I know your other name is Nyao, but let's carry on. Bruh, like recently I started watching the company I keep.
Well,
Bruh, like just tell a short brief story of a situation that I was in. I was in the midst, right, of the company that was not in line with the law. Yeah, bro. So like while I'm in
rolling with criminals.
I don't like to call people names.
Okay.
Yeah, well, let's just say that I was in that situation.
Yeah.
Then it dawned to me, like, why I'm mixed up with this type of people? What if something could happen? What about the people that look up to me? Or what about the family? Or what about my kids? Or what about my spouse? What about my friends? If I'm get caught up in this situation, then I came to my senses that, I need to cut off certain people. I need to watch the company I keep. As a Biggie fan, do you remember the story of Biggie where he was supposed to go to this certain club?
Yeah,
bro. And I think it was with Jay-Z.
I was rolling with Jay-Z.
Yeah, and this story goes that like Biggie was supposed to go to this club, and then it was like, nah. We wanted to. Yeah, because now the people that you're gonna mingle with there, the company that you're gonna be with there could be the end of your career, and could be end of your life. Yeah. Now to answer your question, I know, Baba, that was a long-winded answer. I do watch the company I keep.
Yeah, I feel it. You are the average of 5 people that you hang around with.
Okay.
As human beings, we learn through osmosis. So whatever setup you subject yourself into, eventually zizawuenda apha zishape i-character yakho, even indlela ocinga ngayo and yonke it's very important for umuntu to watch the company they keep. Uyabona funeka ube ne-picture clear of lo muntu ufuna uba nguye. Yeah, but then try to associate yourself with like-minded people, not a group of people. Abantu abuzawufika ube yi-fanboy yabo, ube yi-ice boy yabona ulenduke ngapha nangapha.
Okay, like the certain crowds that I usually like take notice for. If I'm the smartest person in that room, I don't belong there.
You're in the wrong crowd.
If also like everyone agrees to whatever I'm saying, I don't belong there. Yeah, but if I'm not gaining anything from the conversation that way, because I believe that iron sharpens iron.
Exactly. As someone who believes in the theory of mathematics and I divide everything into threes, into thirds. 30% of my time I hang with people who are better than me.
Okay.
30% I hang with abantu esilingana level A1. And 30% with people that I'm doing better than. So lapo I get a chance to impart knowledge. apho la way I can show based on the experience la way and the level of expertise as well as education. Yeah, but then with abantu bam, like you were saying, so I need to be sharpened by ezinye skills ezifana nam la way. Apho we have to spar la way. Yabo, see a back and forth, yabo, lapses of money perspective. Then you hang with abantu who are better than wena, abayibonile indlela, then bazokubonisa bakuhamba njani.
Yeah, because in order for you to navigate to igoli yakho, you have to watch who you hang around with.
Yeah. And yan, bro, one thing we don't want. As funny a rise in number of losers. Yeah, but you can't afford, dog, that way to hang around with a bunch of losers. You want a band who have a direction of Pegakuy. It doesn't matter of Ilenduka, but as long as we in the face way one, and now you want to learn from other people.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's going in niggas, bruh. It's nothing that can be done to save those people. Because bona abafundi bona kala la we akekho interested exchanging some of the bad habits anazo. Uyabona, you can say into uzama umxelela and step on for no reason. But such dog eyona logic ngoba lento yenza ngelhlobo. I understand mhlambi right now lento yenza sense. But nansi yona ndlela igrand. But la muntu mhlambi udelile bolawe bahama indanga yami le yakhona. So every time niba ne conversation niyaphikisana for no reason, you don't want to surround yourself with such energy.
Yeah, man. Make sure that you watch the company you keep. While you check around, look next to you. Is the person sitting next to you good company for you? While you do that, come get in, come so sell a man, so we are going.